Did you notice that our sentiment score for films has just hit plus 0.062, a noticeable uptick that stands out against the historical baseline? This shift is particularly intriguing given that momentum has remained flat at plus 0.000. With 19 semantic clusters identified, this spike hints at a deeper resonance with audiences, perhaps a reaction to recent film releases or industry events. Our API returns dynamic insights on sentiment, making it easy for you to analyze how films are being perceived in real time. Imagine leveraging this data to enhance your movie recommendation engine, tailoring suggestions based on the latest audience feedback. Ready to dive in? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs and start integrating these insights today.